I'll say this, not being able to come up here for like a week, she feels good. Only 10 days, maybe more from my last one, but like 11, 12. I did one Sunday, I worked on Monday, I went straight through. So I missed like one, and it's just medicine for the soul, medicine for the body, medicine for your heart. Shit. We're getting 6 minimum, 7, 8 is the goal. This new month, we gotta start hitting 8. Here, start hitting like 20. Half a mile to a mile more every month will be the goal. Well, still being able to drink beer, steak, and smoke occasional. It comes off at that mark. I don't want to get this steep incline today, but body wants what the body wants. Or my mind. Her ego. But hit legs yesterday, so